Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Entitled Karen Assaults Manager After Refusing to Pay Restaurant Bill.
Oh, she just paid. Would you like to press charges? Would you like to press charges?
If she doesn't want to pay her bill, yes, I will like to.
You got it. Hello, ma'am. I'm Officer Watson. How you doing tonight?
Okay, wait for my attorney to arrive.
You waiting for your attorney to arrive? Okay. So I'm going to give you two options today. All right? So you can either go to jail or you can leave peacefully and pay your bill.
I'm going to leave peacefully.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pay your bill or you're going to jail tonight.
Awesome.
Look at the guy in the background is eating that shit up.
Who has your bill? Let's pay your bill.
Can I go to the bathroom first? Is that
No.
okay?
No.
I'm
What?
going to film you right now.
You're being recorded.
No. I can go to the bathroom. I have a right to go to the bathroom.
Okay, you're going to leave the establishment, but prior to doing that, you're going to pay your bill that you have not paid.
I will pay my bill.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pay your bill.
I'm going to the bathroom because I need to go to the bathroom.
You're not going to the bathroom, you're going to vacate the premises.
If I vacate the premises, then I go to jail.
No, you're going to pay your bill and you're going to leave.
She's gotta be drunk.
This is not right that you're not. This is literally, I'm on the phone with my attorney.
Okay.
I'm going to the bathroom because I have a credit card
Okay.
and a phone
Okay, so let's go
and
ahead and
an
pay your bill.
attorney.
Let's pay your
And
bill.
he's right here with me. So you're telling me I cannot go to the bathroom.
Not on this property.
So I need to go to the bathroom outside and then pay my bill?
You're going to pay your
I
bill
have
and
to,
you're going to
I have to
leave.
go to the bathroom real bad.
You're going to pay your bill and then you're going to leave. I'm going to let you know now. I'm going to give you about a couple of seconds to make a decision, or you're going to come with me and you're going to go to jail.
I think she want to go to jail. Which I think.
Okay. I'm going to go to the bathroom and you can walk me there.
Do you wish to press charges? Do you wish to press charges tonight?
Yeah, Bill's had enough of this shit.
You wish to
Is she willing to pay her bill?
She's trying
I
to
would
play
like
this
to go
game
to
to
the
use the
bathroom
restroom,
first.
and I'm trying to get her out of here. So,
Yes.
okay. All right, ma'am, go ahead and put your phone down.
No,
Yeah,
we're not doing this right now.
All right. All right.
You not, no.
Let's go.
You cannot trespass me in the same night.
He actually can though.
Stop. No, this is not. I'm calling my attorney.
Okay, that's fine.
So you're putting me in jail for going to the bathroom.
Nope. If you don't want to pay your bill, you
I want to pay my bill.
Okay,
I told
put
you I
your
wanna-
stuff down.
Can I go pay my bill
Put
now?
your stuff down.
Hell
Put
no.
your stuff down.
No, I'm not doing this right now. I'm not doing this right now.
Ma'am, I do not want to take you to the ground. If you keep fighting me, I'm going to take you to the ground.
Yeah, a real man does not love putting his physicalness on a woman or a child or old people, bro. Especially somebody who's weaker than him.
I'm calling my attorney right now. Stop! Do not!
Ma'am, you're not going to overpower me, and I'm going to throw you to the ground here in a second. Stop resisting.
This could have been all avoided too. That's the crazy thing.
You're literally
Stop
doing this
resisting.
in a public place. And
All right. Put your hands behind your back. All of this for what? Stand up. All this for
I told you I would pay my.
All this for a fucking tab that you shouldn't have went out to if you didn't have the money for it.
Bill!
I don't understand
that
that
Pay
shit.
my fucking bill. Give me my phone.
I'll give it to you.
But your ass going to jail.
Take a seat. Take a seat. Put your feet in.
Give me my stuff.
I will give you your stuff. Just take a seat.
No, I want my stuff first. I want my purse.
A person's sitting on my car.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You just put it there. This is ridiculous. Watch your feet so I can grab your purse.
Where are my shoes at?
I'm gonna grab them. He put it on top of my car. Move your
You
feet.
just wrestled me as a fucking 40-year-old super
Acting like a
influencer.
child.
I'm not acting like a child.
You acting like a big ass child. My 11-year-old acts better than this.
You're paid by them. You're paid by them.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I do know what you're talking about.
It could have been all so simple, bro.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for the show, everybody. Ugh.
Where they at? Winter Park. Where the fuck is that? Winter Park Police. I gotta Google that now.
656 headquarters. You can show 11015. Hi.
In Virginia?
Where's my stuff?
No, in Florida.
It's on the back of my car. Look
This is in Florida.
I want my bag.
It's right behind you.
I want it right now.
Okay.
I have a right to an attorney.
You do have a right to an
I
attorney.
have a
You also have a right to shut the fuck up.
right to an attorney,
You sure do.
and I want to call him right now.
You call him at the
wrestled
jail.
me on the phone. You wrestled me on the phone.
I gotta use the force I gotta do now. That was so dumb. So dumb. She wouldn't pay her bill, and then she's like, I have to pee. I was like, you need to get off the property. I'm not getting off the property. I need to use the bathroom. Ma'am, exit the property. No. And then she punched him, one of the managers. So.
God dang, Karen.
Still, you know which one? I'll stay with her.
Yeah. She's got a dress on. I mean,
It's on you.
it's fine. One second. Oh, yeah.
Seems like a very nice place, too.
I need a statement from you, if you do not mind.
He's got enough stress. He's bald already. This is the last thing he needs.
You might want to do it on that.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting an officer without violence. Share your thoughts on the incident in the comments below.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content as well. It's been a pleasure. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.